I would like to demand once again that the Congress government in the state should implement all the 6 guarantees and the other promises made by the Congress manifesto by finding the resource of the same. इसका बहुत इंतजार है साहब, खास तौर से आप हमारे भी इलाके में आए थे, वहां पे भी इनका वादा हुआ था और वहां की भी आवाम इसके लिए इंतजार में है। पैनल स्पीकर साहब, our party All India Majlis Ittehadul Muslimin has been demanding that the Telangana state should be given a fair deal by the union government. This has been our party's persistent stand ever since the beautification of United Andhra Pradesh and formation of Telangana state in June 2014. I may recall that my party floor leader Janab Akbaruddin Owaisi Sahab has been raising his voice in this particular assembly against the injustice meted out to the Telangana state by the BJP, now NDA government, ever since the new state came into being. Participating in the discussion on the Governor's Address, State Budget Appropriation Bill and short discussion on various subjects, Janab Akbaruddin Owaisi Sahab has been demanding the union government to do justice to the state and implement all the assurances contained in the AP Reorganization Act. Telangana state has suffered a lot on account of the union government apathy in resolving the issues relating to sharing of Krishna waters between Telangana and AP. Under the Krishna River Water Dispute Tribunal Act, this has adversely affected the Palameru, Rangareddy and Dindi irrigation projects in the state. After the change of government in the state in December 2023, Revant Reddy Saab has met Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and other union ministers to seek clearance for various state projects and schemes as well as for their additional assistance to state, but in no win. I would like to demand once again that the Congress government in the state should implement all the 6 guarantees and the other promises made by the Congress manifesto by finding the resource of the same. इसका बहुत इंतजार है साहब, खास तौर से आप हमारे भी इलाके में आए थे, वहां पे भी इनका वादा हुआ था और वहां की भी आवाम इसके लिए इंतजार में है। Our party is opposed to privatization of power sectors, namely the Genco, Transco and 2 Discom in the name of entrusting the power bill collection to Adani Powers in old city of Hyderabad and so-called pilot project. We extend full support to the Telangana government in its fight to secure the state rightful share or central resources and to ensure all the promises and assurances to the Telangana under AP Reorganization Act. Thank you, sir.